Good morning, how are you? Getting ready to head to work, and I wanted to show you guys some handyman work and some DIY project work. I'm really excited about it. I did a pretty good job. It's my first time ever doing this type of thing, and I just think it looks great. So we had two little pieces beside our garage, or two little areas I should say beside our garage that didn't have any stone work. I can't tell if they had fallen off before or if they were never done. My hunch is that they were never done. It was never completed. And so we had extra stone back behind the house, and so I went to Lowe's and I got the I guess the Quickcrete masonry stuff, and I mixed it together, and I think it turned out great. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is the first side. And it was just kind of fun, actually. I mean, granted, it was 90-something degrees, so sweated like crazy. But that's my first side. That's my first time ever doing anything like that. And I don't know. I had a lot of fun with it, actually, just kind of putting the puzzle together and piecing things together. And then I came over here and I did the other side. So I don't know, let me know what you think. I haven't cleaned up or anything yet. We had to get to church last night, so I got it done before church. It really didn't take that long, and I guess if I really knew what I was doing, it probably wouldn't have took half the time that it actually took me. But just little things like that, it's fun to do it yourself. Hope y'all have a great Thursday. I'll catch you later.